you how to play Clash Royale in your MacBook. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So Clash Royale is a mobile-only game, but you can still play it on a MacBook using a workaround. So what you can do is use an Android emulator. The most famous one is BlueStacks, and it is also easy to set up, so I'm going to be showing you the BlueStacks way. So just go ahead and open any of your browser. After you're here, you just need to tap on BlueStacks, just type it in, and right there you can find this option. Just go ahead and open it. After you're here, you can find download BlueStacks right there. Just tap on download BlueStacks. As you can see, it has started downloading. Just wait for it to download. After it downloads, it's really easy. All you need to do is set it up and you can just run the game. It may take a few minutes to download, so just be patient. So in this way, you can successfully play Clash Royale in your MacBook. Just install it through BlueStacks and you're good to go. So this is the website where you can download BlueStacks, access BlueStacks, and you have Clash Royale. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.